I was trying to find a way how to buy gold in Africa because I have some serious buyers with me from Malta. They want to import gold.
Okay. So what is your position? A buyer's agent or a buyer?
I work with this company, a gold company in Malta. They sell real gold. They're an importer.
Ah,
But
okay.
the problem is to buy gold in Malta, it's pretty much expensive, more than Africa.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So how long you been searching for gold?
About 1.5 years now, and I tried different gold dealers in Africa,
Mm-hmm.
but unfortunately they were all scams.
Really?
Yes,
So why you say that they are all scammer? What is your term then? If you say they are all.
because I work with the law enforcement in Cameroon. I have friends in the Marines in
Okay.
Cameroon.
Mm-hmm. So you went to
All right, and
Cameroon, right? You did went to
so
Cameroon.
no, I have friends there, and he's a police captain in Cameroon.
Okay.
And when we checked their system, we found out that they were all scams.
I see.
I tried many different companies.
Well, Cameroon has gold, but the government is very tough. The export tax is 17%. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
it's very expensive. That's why they smuggled it to different border in order to evade
Okay.
taxes. And it's amazing that you found me in my YouTube channel. May I
Yeah,
ask?
because I was searching in this afternoon and I found your number and I said why not I tried to call you. So yeah.
Okay. What did you learn out of my YouTube? Because I have a different video because I always update time to time. What did you watch on
I
the
got what you
video?
told because I was watching it and I messaged you and I kept watching it and then you called me, so I didn't have time to finish it all yet.
All
I'm
right.
gonna continue after I end this call.
Okay. So how many quantity you want to secure?
I want to first come there to your location, all right? And then it depends on the buyer, all right? So the buyer he first want to start with 1 kilo to check the purity, all right?
So how many
After that,
kilos?
he wants to start with 1 kilo to check the purity.
Well,
After that, he wants many orders for like 10-15 kilos per month.
we don't
For
sell
long-term
1 kilo.
contract.
That is the problem. We don't sell 1 kilo. We have a minimum. At least
How
to
much is
start.
your minimum?
At least to start 10 kilos to start with. At least.
Yes, that's not an issue. I can speak with the buyer and see what he say. I think he'll take it because he's one of the main companies of imported gold in Malta.
Okay. This is what you have to do, Joseph. You go back and listen to the video and read the full corporate offer. And then you get back to Wilhelmina. And then you discuss with your company that he has to send a letter of interest that he is really a buyer. Let me finish so that you would understand properly. This gold business is a very challenging business. And most of the buyer misunderstood that Africa there's a lot of scammer. Scammer means you lied yourself and the seller also lied you. They offer undervalue. But gold is money and this is the world asset you're buying. So what you have to do, you need to send a letter of interest stating what carat you are looking for. The purity is the most important. And the mode of payment. This is FOB. This is not CIF. This is not.
I know.
So then when I receive the letter of interest, because you need to send it on the company letterhead in order for me to examine, and then I will validate that. I will advise the seller that, okay, I have validated the buyer, then let us proceed. Then you will receive a letter of confirmation of your order. Then we will send you all necessary paperwork about my head office because I'm the one who will validate you and your company. Without my validation, you would not get the gold. Last night, there was a buyer from Canada stranded in Sierra Leone. There is always an exception to the rules, and he knows me and is stuck in Sierra Leone for 10 days. I solved his misery, and he got the gold through my seller. But I would like to know about your buyer so that I would position your company properly. So you're gonna bring the gold
Okay.
to Malta, or where you gonna bring the gold?
I'm gonna to Malta. I'm
Malta.
bring it.
Okay, you asked Malta, what is the rules and regulations of your country? How much the importation tax? Mm-hmm. You
I
need to ask. Yes.
sorry.
You need to ask your country how much the
Yes,
importation
yes.
tax.
I will check about that. Yes, that's not an issue.
Okay. So your buyer is buying Doribar or refined, because we don't sell refined, we sell
No,
unrefined.
no, not refined. Unrefined. He wants it.
Okay. We do have gold. I will place you to Conakry, Guinea. Mm-hmm.
All right.
Mm-hmm. So go back first to the video that you found. Which video you found, Wilhelmina? Which one?
Sorry.
Which video that you watch on my
I will
YouTube?
check. I saw it was posted 4 years ago.
That was 4 years. There's a current video. I'm going to give you the current video, May 6th. Mm-hmm.
All right.
May 6th, I will give it to you after our conversation. All right.
Okay.
So
All
that
right.
you have to listen and then read the full corporate offer. Then you come back to Wilhelmina. All right.
All right. Yes. There's one 8 days ago. You posted it.
Yeah. You saw that? May 6th? Have you
Yes,
seen
May
that?
6, 2024.
Yeah. Listen that one and read it. And I'll read the full corporate offer. You listen to that video from the beginning to the end and then get back to me. All right?
Okay. All right. I will.
All right. Thank you very much,
will.
Joseph.
Okay.
Then bye.
Thank you very much. Have a
Well. It is amazing that most of the buyers search on YouTube and they found me. And this gold business is a very challenging business. And Wilhelmina was the one who put everything, and Wilhelmina is the one who promote Africa to the world market. And most of the buyer that say Africa is full of scam. Scam means that you were being lied by the seller, and you listen to the seller that offer you good price or undervalued. Gold is not undervalued. There is a value on it. You are buying the world asset, so therefore there is a value. And if the seller offer you cheap price, think about it. You are waiting for disaster, really. And also, I am different. When I travel with a buyer, I do charge my extra service to assist the buyer in order to help the buyer to secure what he's looking for. Now, on my video, I put everything, and you need to read, you need to analyze it, you need to listen to every video, and you need to read the full corporate offer. Today is for May 14. I'm going to put the price of the day. Time to time, I always update the price. The price is up and down. So don't bank on it. What you have to do, if you found this video, listen, analyze it, click below and subscribe, read the full corporate offer from the beginning to the end, digest it, then you come back, then you come for conference, because I'm going to interview you, just like this buyer's mandate from Malta. I interviewed him partially. So I told him, go back and listen to the video, then get back to Wilhelmina, then I will be the one to position you. Whether I put you in Sierra Leone, whether I put you in Mali, whether I put you in Conakry. Your letter of interest is very significant. Very significant to signify that you are a buyer. Without that on your company letterhead, I wouldn't believe it. I wouldn't believe it. I don't entertain cut and paste. I want to see the background of the buyer, because buyer will make a decision. And when I review that LOI, called letter of interest, then I could advise the head office, and then I would know which seller I'm going to put you. then I would advise my seller that I have validated this buyer. Our selling price less 8%, tax included. So I'm gonna put the price of the gold today so that you will understand the refined gold, which is 75, the unrefined 69 and 66, is 56 and 55 and 16. Every carat there is a price. Okay, so you don't need to be confused. Just read it, relax, don't be excited, because Wilhelmina is not excited to talk to you. Last night I just solved the problem with the Canadian. He was been in Sierra Leone stuck for 10 days. So as I've said to you guys, there is an exception on every rules. But actually I'm not really interested to deal buyer already on the ground. I'm interested the buyer to be invited. However, this Canadian, I feel sorry for him, and it's just to buy a sample of 2 kilos, and suddenly my seller give in. I pressure my seller, and I have an argument with the seller in order for me to enlighten. I told my seller, in business, do not close the window. There is always window of opportunity, and I have a very long discussion with my head office in Sierra Leone. Suddenly, I told him, this is the opportunity for you and the buyer, because I'm not supposed to deal with the buyer because he was not invited. But the buyer willing to pay my extra service because I am the consultant. At the same time, I am the mandate of the seller. I have the power to say yes or no, and I have the power to renegotiate the price. Instead of 8%, I might consider to give you 12 or 13%, but don't bank on it because you have not convinced me. Now this video, I will upload this on my platform on Facebook and on my YouTube. You need to watch this video thoroughly. Don't be excited. Subscribe and make a comment so that you will be upgraded and you will be notified every video that I have on my YouTube channel. The old video I have not deleted yet because I want the buyer to search it. I want the buyer to see the date and what the price, because every day the price changes. Now I'm gonna put the price on this video. Today's price, May 14. Okay, so before you come for conference, you need to read the full corporate offer. Now I'm gonna summarize. Wilhelmina is not an agency. I am the marketing consultant of seller and the buyer. My position is completely different from broker to broker. Broker would not explain worldwide. Broker would not show their faces. Wilhelmina is showing this is my virtual office and base in Brisbane, Australia. There is no gold here. There's none. The gold is in West Africa. The gold is in Sierra Leone. The gold is in Mali. And the gold is in Conakry. I will determine which seller I'm going to place you until I'm satisfied during the interview. Because I need to see whether you are really a buyer or not. Because there's also fake buyers. There's a lot. Look at this Turkish. He was talking to me for 6 months. He flew to Sierra Leone, disaster. Another Indian went to Mali, disaster. Another Indian, another American, another from Australia, disaster. They don't deal with Wilhelmina because they don't want to pay my extra service. But they found me on my YouTube channel and Facebook. That is fine. You gain knowledge out of this. But watch out. When you arrive on the country of destination, you think you can get the gold CIF. It wouldn't work. There is no CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. There's none. Mhm. This is cash business. Mhm. So, this video will give you guys a thorough understanding. You're lucky to meet Wilhelmina because broker would not explain to you like this, none whatsoever. Some brokers doesn't like my guts, so be it. We have the gold, you have the money, we can do business. Our selling price, tax included. Now, once again, I will not stay longer because someone is queuing online because they wanted to buy gold. Africa is the main source of gold. You must remember. There's also liars, there's also deceitful, there's also scammer. Scammer means seller lied to you the price, and you also lied because you don't want to pay the right price. What happened? Disaster. Wilhelmina is here to correct your crookedness. So you're lucky to meet Wilhelmina. You're lucky to meet Wilhelmina on my YouTube channel because I'm going to educate you. I'm going to correct your crookedness. Because if you are not very careful, I'm telling you, you are going to lose your money. So stop thinking that you can get gold CIF. Stop thinking that you can get standard letter of credit. Stop thinking that you can use the bank instrument. Africa doesn't work like that. Africa works for cash business. We have the gold, you have the money, then we can do business. As I've said last night, an exception to the rules. I feel sorry to this Canadian, and he's willing to pay my extra service, and my seller pay my services as well. I am the mother of gold. Meaning to say, you come to Wilhelmina, I nourish you, I babysit you. When you come with Wilhelmina to Africa, you would not encounter disaster. Why? Because we are going to exchange vital information. I'm going to collect first your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund, the value of your order. You have $1 million? Do you have $500,000? Without that, I wouldn't believe it. What you have to do, you show your bank statement that you have standby $1 million. If you cannot prove to Wilhelmina, to me, you're not a buyer. You're not. Just this Canadian was lucky last night because he was stuck in Sierra Leone for 10 days. As I've said to you, there is a exception to the rules. But I'm not going to entertain buyers already on the ground. You must remember, remove that mentality. We need to invite the buyer to come in order to guide you. And Wilhelmina will charge you her services. Our selling price less 8%. My extra service to assist you is $20,000. Take it or leave it, non-refundable. In spite of that, you will get a very good discount. I might consider to renegotiate the price to the head office that I've given you 12 to 13%. So at the end of the day, you are a winner. Why? Instead of getting 8%, I've given you extra percentage because you're paying my extra service, and I negotiated on your behalf, tax included. So you are a winner. Okay, you are a winner. No one will explain to you like this. I explain it because when you search on YouTube, at least you see this video, at least you listen to Wilhelmina, that Wilhelmina is very truthful. Those joker broker hates my guts. They are joker. They are jokers. So if you are a buyer watching this video, please do not take it for granted. Do not. Because if you are taking for granted, and then you flew to Sierra Leone, you flew to Ghana, you flew to Cameroon, you flew to Zimbabwe, you flew to Mali, you flew to Conakry without guidance, I can guarantee you, you are a failure. There was a guy went to Zimbabwe. He was being offered cheap price. Zimbabwe, the tax is too high. So in every country, their government sales tax is different. Our government sales tax here in Australia is 10%. And when you bring the gold to your country, there is also importation tax. So you need to be prepared. You need to have a capital. Do not say that, oh, I'm going to buy gold CIF, I will pay after final assay. Don't come to Wilhelmina because you are going to be rejected. This is money you're buying. You're not buying potato here. You're not buying bread here. Even bread and potato. You go to the grocery, you have to pay for it. Buying gold, exactly the same. You have to pay for it whether you like it or not. So if you don't have a capital, don't be involved in this business. Don't, because you are going to fail. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. The time here is 10 o'clock, and I will put the price of the day. So tomorrow the price is completely different. So don't bank on it. Talk to Wilhelmina. Don't be afraid, because Wilhelmina will listen to your needs. And instead of 8%, I might consider to give you 12 to 13%. You're a winner. What is $20,000? You're spending money. And when you resell it, you make money. You become rich. My extra service is very cheap. If you cannot afford, then to me, you are not a buyer. So thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. We'll catch up time to time. I will update my YouTube, and keep watching and subscribe and click below, because every time I update the price, and you will be notified the new update of the price of the gold. The procedure are all the same. Whether you buy to different Africa, exactly the same, you have to pay for it. This is FOB, cash bank-to-bank payment. Now, you're gonna ask, well, Amina, how? You will receive a contract, okay? After you send a letter of interest, we will send you the contract. I will gather your vital information, your banking details, where the gold to be delivered, your address, etc. Then you will receive the full information of the seller, the company profile of the seller, mining license of the seller, okay? So you will be provided, so that when I take you to the office, everything is spot on. There is always rules and regulation to follow. So I hope you understand what my explanation. If you don't understand, come for conference, but listen to this video first. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening.